All right, so you want to grab your instrument or mic cable and plug into your instrument. And then the other end, you want to plug into your computer or your audio interface. Make sure you pick your right channel here. I went with the second channel. Make sure you get it in there all the way. You see me struggling with it. Here, you want to make sure you turn on your phantom power if you have a condenser mic and you need it. Turn up your audio input, your gain on the channel. You want to make sure you got audio coming into the channel. So make sure you got sound going in there and it's pointed at them. Here, you want to make sure you turn on your input monitoring and arm the track for recording, I and R. Over here, you want to make sure you got your input selected to the right thing. So we were in channel 2, not 1, but 2. Selected input 2. Over here, you want to get your output going to stereo output. You can see here I've got it bus to bus 11. So I click on bus 11, make sure that is going to stereo out, and indeed it is. And if you need to change it, that bus 11 you can. Here, you just want to make sure you got your volume up on the channel. If it's all the way down, you're not going to hear anything. Make sure it's up on the bus. Make sure it's up on the stereo output. And if you got compression, make sure your gain's up there. Make sure your effects and plugins are not bringing them down. Here, you want to make sure your channel's not muted. Here, you want to make sure no other channel is soloed, or you won't hear what you're recording on. Here, you want to check out your software for your audio interface. Make sure the channel is not muted again. Make sure your inputs are right, your outputs. Make sure you're on record mode, not monitor mode if you're recording. And then again, checking your volume and the gain on your compressor or whatever effects you're using. Making sure you got your phantom power on, pad on and off if you need more volume or to pad it down.